Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete unused apps on your Android phone. Alright guys, first of all, go to your settings application on your Android phone. Then you're going to scroll down until you find the app setting. This one, tap on it and just select the application or the unused application that you want to delete. And for example, I'm going to delete the Instagram application. So tap on Instagram there, then we can simply tap on the uninstall right here. But actually, there is another way to delete unused application on your Android phone. You can go to your home screen, then you're going to select the application you want to delete. And you can select more than one application and just tap and hold on the application, and you're going to select click on select right here, then select unused application on your phone like this. Okay, then you're going to click on uninstall right here, then the application will be removed from your Android device. Alright guys, and that's how we can delete unused application on our Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.